In this video, I will show you how to use ManyChat on TikTok. So this is a cross-platform tool that you can launch on different social media to enhance your audience and boost up your sales. So before we begin, you can head over to the first link in the description below to get ManyChat Pro completely for free, and that is going to be unlocking really nice amount of extra features. So first you need to head over to your settings, and from here you can see in channels section we have our TikTok. So head over to this, and now all we need to do is simply connect our TikTok. So make sure that you know your credentials. You're going to be opening TikTok and then enter in here your details, or you can scan your QR code and boom, your TikTok is connected. So that's how easy it is to use your ManyChat on TikTok. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month ManyChat Pro completely for free.